how good the standards are in reflecting sensible approaches to difficult technical issues. It depends, in my judgment, substantially on where they come from. The American National Standards Institute is a very well established umbrella organization with internal procedures that quite resemble American notice and comment rulemaking, albeit they are limited in their development to the membership. And they do develop genuinely consensus and technologically subtle and adequate standards. I've got no particular quarrel with them, but there are other standards developing outfits that don't necessarily go through ANSI and nonetheless may succeed in having their standards adopted as legal requirements. The Pipeline Safety and Hazardous Materials Transportation Administration, if I have their name correctly, an organization in the Department of Transportation, has relied heavily on the American Petroleum Institute to develop standards about public warnings for the safety of pipelines. Well, I don't know that the API is as trustworthy as ANSI is in developing what are appropriate corrosion standards for the safety of pipelines and how the public ought to be warned about them. This actually became a kind of a congressional flap for a while. At one point, someone from the House committee called the API and asked to see a copy of this standard. And the individual at the other end said, yes, of course, that'll be $1,000 and change, please. And quite illustrated the problem of monopoly control of law, illustrated it strongly enough so that the House promptly passed legislation requiring everything that this administration did to be public law. And then the industry reacted and it got pulled back to some significant degree.